Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer and I'm the founder of T&Co as well as the head blender at SIPP. Welcome to our first how-to, and today we're going to look at how to brew loose leaf tea, specifically using our cup strainer. It's quite a popular tea tool, and recently, as we've not been selling at markets where I get to demonstrate and explain how to use it, people have been buying it online and I've been getting a lot of requests on how to use it. So we'll talk about the different tools we'll use today. First and foremost, hot water, good quality hot water at the right temperature. To learn more about teas and the right temperature to brew different teas, you can head over to our site and check out our tea guide, which will give you a lot of information on the different teas and the best temperature to brew your teas. So we have hot water at the correct temperature for our tea today. We have just a regular cup and saucer and teaspoon, of course. We've got our tea strainer. We are going to be brewing a herbal tea today, our turmeric tonic, and I've got like the perfect tea measure so that we can measure out the perfect teaspoon for our tea. So we'll start right at the top, where what you need to do is put the tea strainer, you take the top off and you set it in the cup, and then you would take out your measure of tea. And so because we're using a smaller cup, one heaped teaspoon should be more than enough for the cup. So you measure that out and you place it in. It's important to get the tea in first so that when we add the hot water to the tea, it's able to boil and just move around loosely and steep very well. So we'll uncover this. So here we are. We'll pour our hot water into our teacup. And then we'll let it, don't pour water everywhere like I'm doing. And then the important thing you'd want to do is put the cover on it so that it can steep and the moisture that's created and the aromas from the spice can, roll in the strainer and get back into the tea, and so you don't lose any of the vibrancy of the tea as you steep. As we're doing our turmeric tonic, we typically steep for about 2 minutes, and I set a timer usually, and at the end of the 2 minutes we then strain. So I'm going to show you how to strain. As all our teas are good quality loose leaf, this means you'll be able to steep your tea more than once, and you can get between 2 to 3 steeps per cup. So what I would then suggest you do is to do this to completely strain this out. The great thing about this nifty little tea tool is that this will then become a coaster for your strainer, so you can put this up over here and you have your tea ready to go. And then when you want to steep for your next round of tea, you put that back, repeat with hot water, and you'll get 2 to 3 steeps out of the tea. Alright, and that's it. So I hope you enjoy your tea. Thank you.